When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, you're going to go to New, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different options in what kind of template you want. You might want a blank one and start from scratch and do your own thing, or you might want one of these that's already created for you and kind of cool. I'm going to do the Vapor Trail one. You can pick which one you want. It might be easiest if you choose the Vapor Trail along with me. It'll give me like a preview of what it looks like and do I really want to create this one, and yeah, that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to click create. It's going to come up with my title page right here. I'm going to click, it says right here, click to add title. So I'm going to click and I'm going to add my title. And I'm going to say baseball, because that's my favorite sport. And we're going to do a PowerPoint on our favorite sport or activity. It doesn't have to be a sport. It could be something other than sports related. So you pick what your favorite activity is. And that's what this one's going to be about. I'm going to change my font on this. So I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to go up to font. And I'm going to pick a different font. Make it look kind of cool. I like that one. I'm going to change the size of my font, which is up here. And I'm going to change it, make it bigger. Let's say it doesn't have the number you want. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to type it. Say I want it to be 100. And I'll make it 100. Okay. Then I want to maybe change the color of the font. Let's see, it's white. Yeah, it's got a black background, so I have to keep that in mind. I'm going to go to the font color and drop down. And I'm going to make it yellow. Another thing I can do on this is I can bold it. And this font's kind of bold already, but let's see what bold does. It just makes it a little bit bigger. I can italicize it, which is what this I is. I can slant it, or I could underline it. I don't like the underline. I do like the italicize, and I don't like the bold, so I'm just going to go with that. On the subtitle, I'm going to say by Nicole Brooker, so I can have my name. I want to center that. I'm going to click center here. I'm going to center this too. Now I've created my very first slide, which is my title slide. And now that I did that, and I went through all of these different formatting things about the font, now I'm going to add a new slide. Now if I click on the drop down in new slide, it gives me all these different options for what do I want my new slide to look like. I can choose from any of these. I can do a blank one and create my own things, whatever I want to do. I'm going to create, I'm going to say this one. It's going to be my second. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to add a picture here. I want to add a picture of a baseball to my template or to my PowerPoint. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Online Pictures. Now when I click Online Pictures, it's connecting to the internet right now, and it goes through Bing image search. And what I will do is I'm just going to type in the word baseball. Click Return, and it's going to give me all these different options for pictures. This is the easiest way to add photos or graphics, online graphics. You can also, get online and copy and save them to your desktop and then add them in, and however you want to do it. But this is a really simple way to do it. I like this one, so I'm going to click on that, click Insert. It's going to put it in my picture box because that's where I told it to put it. I can resize this if I want to. I can make it bigger or smaller. I can add text here and text here and keep adding slides as I go along.